In this video, I'm going to show you how to drive a cow in GTA 5. As you can see here, I'm driving a cow right now, and as you can see, I'm reversing with the cow. So it's a very fun mode, and it's a pretty funny mode too. So you can see here, it acts just like a car, and you can basically drift with this cow. You can make tricks with it. You can just like a normal car. So it's like a cow car here. You can drift with it and make some tricks. And as you can see, he's turning the wheels as if it's a car here. So it's a very like fun and nice mode to have. So to start off with this mode, first let me just quit the game and end this so I can show you how to download the mod. First I'm just gonna quit GTA 5 from here, and now you want to open Google Chrome. So open Google Chrome, go to GTA 5 mods. Over here you want to go to, let me just zoom in here or zoom back a little bit. You want to go here and just type in menu, and over here go to this one where it says 2.0, and then you want to download this one, then click download. Then go to this next website, which is a script, this one. Go to this next website and go down here and click download. Now you have two folders downloading. You want to open GTA 5 folder, go here, manage, and click here. So now you have this open. Let's open the downloads folder. Now what you need to do is open the first downloaded folder and copy this one and this one. Copy these two and paste them inside of your GTA 5 folder. Then go to the next downloaded folder and copy this one, and this one, and then paste them like this. Then you can close these down and go back to Epic Games. So here you want to make sure you go to manage, and you have launch options enabled, and you have written this down, dash no battle I. Now open the game. So now once you have GTA 5 enabled, what you're gonna do is press F8, and then you want to go down to vehicle options, vehicle spawner, and funny vehicles. Down here you will see cow car. Click on it to enable it. Click F8 again to close the menu, and there you go. Now you have a cow. You're basically riding a cow right here. So this is a very fun mode to play with friends, and it's a very nice mode, not gonna lie. Like, look at this. So it's just drifting cow. Nice. What a nice cow here. Like, imagine walking down the street and showing your homies like your new cow. Like, that's a very nice vehicle, not gonna lie. So if you enjoyed this video, yeah, like, just make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this, and peace.